turned myself into a pickle, Morty! I'm Pickle Rick!
This is my regular size Pickle Rick. This is my giant Pickle Rick. But I think we can make this even bigger. With a little help from Holly, from Tools by Holly. What are we working with here?
Well, we're going to make Pickle Rick really big on the 4-axis CNC machine.
Yep.
So this is a bit different to your 3D printing. It's probably about 100 times quicker. It'll start off with a block of foam and it'll take away what you don't want. So 3D printing is additive and this is subtractive. Potentially we could make them 2 meters long and it's got a diameter of 1.2 meters. Yeah, so as tall as this block of foam here.
That might be a bit big for my car.
Yeah, so we'll make them a little bit smaller. I think lengthwise we'll make them about 1.2 meters big.
Cool.
Alright, so first step we have to cut out the block of foam that we want. It's got to be pretty precise so that the axes are perpendicular and it's not off center when it's carving. And then we've got 2 different ways that we could do it. We could do rotational axis or we could do it on the flatbed. And because Pickle Rick doesn't have any features that have undercuts on them and he's nice and circular already, we'll do him on a rotational axis.
Okay.
So we've taken the flatbed off so that we've got access to the axis underneath, and we'll put the plates on top of our block of foam, mount it on the machine, and then we've got to do a little bit of computer work to get some code to give to the machine so it knows how to carve it out.
Oh. Let's get on with it then.
Let's do it.
Alright, time for lunch!
Behold the giant pickle! Look how big it is! Oh my god. It's so light as well.
Yeah, 1.2 meters of pickle.
So what are these parts here and the bit on the top?
Alright, so when you're rotating some foam on the milling machine, you have to have big blocks to attach it, and then afterwards you just cut them off and just use a scalpel and then some sandpaper just to finish it off as well.
The next step, let's add some colour to it.
So hey, this might be the end of this video, but it's definitely not the end of this project. I'll have the painting process up soon enough. But in the meantime, you can hop on over to any of my social media platforms to see the end results or to just check out what my latest project is.